Who's the fairest of them all? Hey, sorry, I didn't realize you were there. So, check this out. I got the Honiway farmhouse mirror. This is the Sunburst mirror, made out of walnut wood. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. First of all, awesome looking rustic farmhouse look. My mom has a cabin up in the Poconos. This is probably pretty awesome for her. But when you look at these things and the pictures online, it's kind of hard to judge the size, even though they put the size on there. Going to end, this is about 21 inches. The mirror itself is about 9 inches. So just keep that in mind. What a great, awesome looking mirror. This is what it looks like on the back right here. Kind of looks exactly like the front, except it doesn't have a mirror. It came packaged very well. It came packaged in styrofoam in a flat box. It's really super lightweight too. I mean, this thing is really light. Just want to point that out. So when you get the package, you go, is that my mirror? Yes, it is your mirror. It's just really light. And it comes with some anchors and a couple screws here. Literally one screw. I'm probably just going to go right into the drywall with the screw without an anchor and hang it up because this thing is so light. This says that it comes in the boho style. Anyway, I just know it looks cool. And it's gonna look great in my mom's cabin up in the Poconos because she's got this whole rustic looking thing with deer and antlers and stuff. According to the literature, this is made with high polished silver glass, which doesn't distort or warp. I'm looking at this thing on here now, and it's actually really, really dead spot on. I literally just put one of the screws they sent with this package right into the drywall, so I'll probably just hang this thing up one-handed here. It's so light. And there it is, all hung up next to my giant orchid print. Looks great. Super easy to hang, super lightweight. I just put one screw in the drywall and we're done. 21 inches, super light, rustic look. Really super easy to hang or just set on a mantle if you wanted to, or set on a desk. But if you're looking for an awesome light farmhouse mirror to add to your rustic collection, check out this one by Honiway. Check it out.